Come here. Oh boy, come on. No, 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 no. Come this way. Come here. Come here. Go back down. Go back down. Go on. Hey, where are you going? Come on. You cannot be up here. You're gonna poop somewhere. Go back down. Down the stairs. Down the stairs. No, no, no. Down the stairs. No. Come on. What is up, y'all? Dave here, Wild Hearts Farm, where we are working to live a more sustainable life connected to nature and all that God has provided for us. And we're building beautiful things out here in Wild Hearts Farm as well. So it is a nice, cool day here in southeastern North Carolina. And I am up here in the barn loft. Check out that chandelier. It's pretty cool, huh? All right, so you might notice behind me that I'm missing something. I'm missing a railing around our loft. So it's a little hairy up here. As a matter of fact, we had a party the other day out here in the barn. It was a really cool, fun time, but there are some people who are a little reluctant to come up here into the loft area because they're just a little nervous about being up here without this railing. So today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting a railing up here in the loft area. It's gonna be really nice. Let me show you sort of the design that I'm looking at. So I'm going to be doing a 3-rail split rail railing. So it's going to match or be very similar to the pasture railing that's outside. So the materials that I'm going to be using, I'm pretty stoked to be able to reuse some lumber. But these newel posts, they're 3x3s, and this is all just the packaging material of the lumber that we use for the barn. So every time a shipment of lumber came, it was mostly packed on these 3x3s. And I saved them all, and I'm going to be reusing them for this rail. I think it looks really nice. And then the split rails themselves, this is all that pine lumber, tongue pine lumber that we have left over from the flooring right up here, and also trimming out the stalls. So, you know, we're trying to use as much of what we already have and not have to buy anything. I'm using a couple little different types of hardware connecting these newel posts, and I'll show you guys that. But today, I got to get this railing up, or at least get started on it and finish this thing up so we can enjoy this nice big loft area. So here we go. All right, y'all, so I have got 2 different types of hardware I'm going to be using to install my newel posts to the flooring upstairs in the loft. The first one I'm using for any freestanding post that's not sort of anchored down between any permanent wall or one of those permanent posts that are a part of the barn structure, okay? And for that, I'm using this Zipbolt. And I'll show you this installed, but this is really a kind of a heavy duty one that's really gonna lock that down. So if it's just sort of freestanding there and not attached to anything, like an actual structural element, it's fine. The ones in the centers though that are in between the structural elements that can be reinforced by the rails themselves, I'm just using a 4-inch double-threaded dowel screw, right? Then just screw that in the flooring and then screw that newel post on top. Honestly, both work really well, but again, for those freestanding posts, you really want something pretty sturdy. All right, y'all. So I've got above the stairs done, the railing there. I have got this section here done and just a few more sections to go. And I gotta say, I really like the way this is looking. It's going up pretty easily. That hardware I'm using for those newel posts are working really well. That Zipbolt, of course, is a little bit more durable than just the dowel screws that I'm using. But again, if you want to cut costs and not have to use those Zipbolts each time, those dowel screws work really well for like every other post or in between those hard sections. So yeah, I think this is great. So I hope you all liked the video. Once this is all done, I'm going to do a full tour of this barn because I'll tell you what, we are almost complete. I just got to clean up around here. I'm going to give you all the tour. If you've already subscribed, you'll be notified. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And once I get the barn tour knocked out, you'll be notified when that barn tour video is posted. So I've got a lot more work to do, so I'm going to get back to it. But thanks for sticking around. Thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for subscribing and following us in building Wild Hearts Farm. So God bless y'all and have a blessed day. All right. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Coming to check out what's going on over here? None of this is for you. You got your big coop. Ah, got a couple of friends out here too, huh? Okay, bye. Bye-bye.